Hey YouTube, I forgot to mention this in my video. If you are doing this throttle body change or any electrical stuff, either disconnect the negative battery, or what I just do, I just reset the computer. That works just fine. I've never seen a problem with that, but most people, what they do is take out the negative wire and then put it back in. But I'm too lazy for that, so I'll just reset the computer. Well, thanks. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you how to fucking change the throttle body on the 1.4 Chevy Cruze 2012. And this can go from 2010, 2015, I believe. So here we go. Why is it not? Okay. So you just take this plug out and take that plug out. Let me take that screw out. Alright, I was having a little bit issues with this pipe right here. What I did is shake it while I'm pulling it, and it popped right off. Alright, and then we take out these 4 screws. It's all around. There's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 screws. And we're gonna have to use an alley wrench for these. And then the reason I'm doing this is because the dealership cost me about $400 to $500 with labor and everything. And it's just a simple process, so I decided to do it myself. I forgot to mention one thing. I think I gotta take out this so I can get to that 2 bolts on that throttle body. So I'm gonna do that real quick. I think it's just that one screw right there. So, alrighty. Okay, I used for that big bolt 3/8 for the screw right there. And there it is. That's the part that I just took out from there. Now I can get with the rest of the screws. And here's the screw. And there's the throttle body. And what I use for alleys is let's see if I can focus real quick. Well, it's a 5mm, and I use this small tool, but it could go a size bigger, which is 3/16. Damn, I can't even focus on this one. Anyways, yeah, this one just worked just fine, but I recommend another bigger size. But it didn't strip my screws, by the way. So if you just have this one. Well, there you go, guys. Oh yeah, by the way, I'll show you the new throttle body I'm gonna use. Alright, I'm gonna try the Derman throttle body because the AC Delco, this is my second one. And what it does, what was it doing? I was making a loud noise on the electrical side once in a while, and if it's really cold, it'll do that once in a while. What I do is make that noise, and then it'll cause a misfire. And then after that, what I do is just clear the clothes and turn it back on, and then still makes that noise. And then as soon as you go, you can hear the throttle body all the way for like probably like 30 minutes, and then it goes away again, and then it works just fine. So I don't know what's going on with these. This is the second one and had the same problem. So hopefully this Durman one can solve my problems. If not, I'm pretty much fucked. Well, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Leave comments. This is my like actual first video, so if any positive feedback will be great. Oh, and what else? Oh, if you have any other questions, just let me know. My Gmail is christiancruze559@gmail.com. I pretty much know everything about this cruze, so if you have any issues or something, let me know, and I'll get back to you.